Hello viewers, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. In addition to this, we are also open for our live online classes. So if you want to join our live online classes, all you have to do is to fill this Google form and you will find the link in the description. Also, if you want to learn SketchUp, then you will have to just go over here and choose the live session of SketchUp. If you want to get the recorded session, then you can choose this option. Now, let's go to the software and let's see what we are going to learn. Today, we will learn how to make these designs in SketchUp. So, for that, we need to use arcs. Now, how can we do that? So first of all, I will have to measure the dimensions. So I am just selecting the line and making a copy of it. Now I will place this line over here. If you want to measure the distance, you can also see this. So it's almost 2 inches. Now, what I need to do? At first, I need to go over here. Then I will make the copy of this line 2 inches apart from here. So first of all, I will copy this line in this direction and enter the value 2. So I can get a line at 2 inches. Now I will simply join all this and I will get a surface over here. Similarly, I would like to have another surface at other ends. So I will choose this line and click on an endpoint. Then I will choose this one and click on the endpoint. So this is how you can get the surface. Now you need to use the arcs. So first of all, I will draw an arc from here to the endpoint and then I will simply drag it to the desired length. I will do the same for another arc and I will keep the height same as this one. Now I need one more arc, so I have chosen the top points of it and the middle point over here. Now I will just delete the unnecessary lines. Now what do I need to do? I need to get rid of all these surfaces. So for that I can simply use my eraser tool and delete the extra lines. Now you can see I have the desired shape. Now I will go over here, reverse the face and then using my push pull tool I will simply pull it to this place. Now if you want, then you can simply delete all this or you can erase it. So you can see over here you have got the desired shape. Now one thing is missing over here and that is a rectangle so that you can have a solid surface on the top. So I will draw a rectangle from this end to this end and I will get a solid surface on the top. Now we will learn how to join these corners in another video. Thank you.